Hi everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to sign up for Bitcoin.com. To sign up for a new Bitcoin.com account, first of all, make sure that you've downloaded the Bitcoin.com app on your mobile device and then launch it open. After you do so, from the home page, tap on the settings button at the bottom right hand corner. Inside the settings button, tap on sign in at the top. From the sign in option, you can either sign into an existing account or sign up for a new account. You can sign in using your Apple ID or your Google account. Or if you want to choose the email option to sign up, you can go ahead and enter your email at the bottom of the screen. Type in a valid email address and tap on the arrow button at the right corner. Now, open up your email inbox to check for a mail from Bitcoin.com. Once you open up your mail, you will receive a login request to Bitcoin.com. Tap it open and tap on login. Right after you do that, you will then be able to sign up for a new Bitcoin.com account. After you have created an account, you can manage your Bitcoin wallet and track transactions, access other cryptocurrencies trading features, use DeFi services offered from Bitcoin.com, and manage your profile settings and preferences. So that is how you sign up for Bitcoin.com in just a couple of steps using your mobile device. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.